Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. So again, Liberty Tree Collectors. These are 8 US M16 AR-15 plastic muzzle covers. These are relatively inexpensive, and they're just basically plastic cylinders. And I do believe these are all the same, being cap plugs from Buffalo, New York, RCL 10s. So we've got 8 of those. Yeah, they all have the same mold markings. So 8 of those. Let's get this paper out of the way. Next up, looks like we have 2 items in that same wrap. Let's see if we can figure out what we have here. Just based on the fittings, this is a Turkish Mauser leather sling reproduction. So this is a new manufacturer, but in the style of the original Turkish Mausers. So kind of a very sharp cut end, and then they lace the attachment loop. I guess you tie it off with these leather laces. So I don't see any markings. It does have a nice length here. I'll see if I can fold it double so you can get an idea. So, Reproduction Turkish Mauser leather sling. The other sling here is a German G3 HK91 leather sling used. Pretty good shape. It's pretty shiny on the outer edge, inner edge, right there. See the cross loops. And there's our snap hook. And here's knob that will go in that hole. An opening right there. See how the finish on the snap hook looks. Serrated edge, and unlike modern versions of it, there's no shelf or anything there for the thumb. And then back on this end, we have this kind of buckle end, magnetic. Not so sure about the rivets. Those appear to be brass, and the snap hook is steel. So G3 HK91 leather sling used. Set this aside here. And last up thing we grab first is an East German AK47 Mosin Nagant aim corrector. So this is a visual training device that would be used on a student's item, and will be used by an instructor to view and correct the student's aim. So it's basically an image bending reflector unit while still allowing the student to see through the the bottom area, I believe. And trying to see what all this stuff at the bottom is. These, I believe, do come off. These are various, I guess, sighting apertures. And this is magnetic. Okay, so something like, I have to do a little bit more research on this, but definitely different aperture alignment areas, even like this or like this. You can see that. Very interesting. I'm not sure about this plate. So this screw was in here originally to lock those down, and this is our two large magnets. So these will go on the top portion of a receiver. And right now we're looking at the instructor view. You can see the reflection of my hand, which would show the reflection of the sights. So give you an idea, you can see the window reflection of the house plant right there. And again, you can see through this way. So it's kind of a one-way mirror effect. And this is the instructor view and the student view. Instructor view, student view. Then I believe this might be held in front of the unit. There's probably some sort of pairing up mechanism, so I'm not quite sure. Unless it's actually just a teaching demonstrator. But you can definitely see different ranging, etc. uses. I'm just not sure how these would actually be used in conjunction. So, oh, okay. There's something else that could be possibly used right there. So let's see about something like this. I'm just experimenting here, but this might be something that would help the student line up their sights against the ideal target picture. So let's say this is the type of sights they would be looking for under actual unit. This simulates the ideal sight picture, and to help them line up their rifle picture, they will line up on this until everything is all in perfect alignment. Just speculating. So, at least we got all the pieces as far as I can tell. So working our way backwards, we have East German AK47, possibly Mosin Nagant, aim corrector as well. That's how it's listed. We also had two slings, one being the German G3 HK91 leather sling used, and we also had the Turkish Mauser Reproduction. Trying to not get them mixed up here. Turkish Mauser Reproduction sling. Get these loops back into the picture there. And we also start off with 8 of these M16, AR-15. And these would be the US versions of the plastic muzzle cover. You can see there. These all came from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. Liberty Tree Collectors, large variety of items. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage Mauser tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.